Well, good morning, or not so good morning, because we are leaving the ship this morning. We disembark from Independence of the Seas this morning. So we are all packed up, doing one last scan of the room, and then we will be leaving the ship hesitantly because it's been a really relaxing and nice weekend. But after we disembark from the ship, we will be taking a ride share to the airport and hoping for a smoother flight back to Houston than it was coming into Orlando.
Yeah.
So we'll see how it goes.
All right, guys, we'll take you along on our adventure back to Houston.
Bye. It's a good room.
It was really good. It's warm in here. Or maybe we just move around too much.
He turned off the AC. Every time we got to port, he said, if you get on the ship by 4:30, I'll turn on the AC.
To force people out?
Yeah, he's forcing people out now.
It's like a herd of people coming out of the elevator on deck 4. Left the room at 7:30. It's about 7:45. And this line is huge, wrapped around the entire ship. Walking back on the ship. Now these people coming off the elevator are about to go through that long loop. Starting to move back outside again. Hopefully it's a lot shorter. Thank you.
You did it. You got us moving.
I did it for you.
Thank you.
More lines. But this
This is the end.
This should be the end though. So it already, you can see the little bridge going back into the building. And I'm sure there'll be lines in there too. So we got stopped right before entering this little bridge here. But I'm pretty sure this is the line for Key, which we couldn't figure out how to get to because everyone just kind of just forces you out into another line. But either way, line's moving okay. It's right at 8 o'clock. There was something going on. There's people scanning their seat pass card. So there was a gap.
They let us
Crew
go
members
through.
let us go. So now we're going down the bridge. Thankfully there's AC in here, huh?
Yeah.
It's been hot.
That means we're closer to being done.
All right, made it in the building. It's been moving pretty quick, but I don't know if you guys can see the lines outside the ship. Now this is coming from the aft of the ship on the opposite side that we were on. And it's wrapped around here too.
Last time we were on here, we were going to Disney.
Yeah.
Now we're going on a flight home.
I guess one thing to mention is that we're walking our bags off.
Yeah, most
So-
people are, it seems like.
Yeah, as
I
you
think
can
the
see,
secret's out.
even the people in front of us are walking their bags off. I mean, you can set your bags out the night before and have them set them out for you to pick up down below, but if you have a nice suitcase with 4 wheels,
The way to do it.
it's easy to roll off. All right, walked outside. It's hot. Now we gotta find our ride. So, again, that took 35 minutes from the time we left the room to being outside. Yes. Found our ride. That should be it. We made it to the United Club. It's 9:20. We, again, I guess just a recap. We left our room at 7:30. Walked off the ship at 8:05. And then
And the lights are yellow.
found our our Uber within a minute or two after that, and got dropped off at like 9:10, I believe. And now sitting in United Club at 9:20. So, and we have a, I don't remember what time our flight is.
Well, it's at 11:30, so we've got a ton of time.
Yeah, I think our board time, 11:30 board time.
They can always look it up for you up there too.
Oh, I'm not concerned. Thank
No,
you.
we're good, thank you.
Plenty of time.
Flight's at noon.
Yeah.
So made it here in plenty of time.
So I've been to a few United clubs around the country, and they always have snacks. But MCO is the only airport that I've noticed that actually lists the allergen for each item. So like the yogurt said that there was dairy in it, and the crackers said that there was wheat in them. So there is some peace of mind knowing only, or at least the ingredients that I couldn't have were listed on there. So that was nice.
Sad part is we already had to get on a call, meeting, Zoom meeting, and have to get on another one in a couple minutes. So even though we're sitting at the airport, still having to do some work. I don't have many vacation days. Yeah, so Claire took today off and tomorrow off, and I'm sitting here already working. It's great.
Yeah, they asked him if he had anything else to say, and he was like, nope.
Nope, I'm
Don't
good.
even want to be here.
Yeah. Gate 47. Made it to our gate, along with everybody else. This is pretty common here in Orlando. Wherever you are, you wait in long lines. It's a Disney theme. Just not sure what's going on. Always waiting in lines. We are on the plane, ready to go home. A little sad. But, I don't know, it was a short trip though. We have another one coming up.
Yeah, it's different.
It's different. Very different. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. I think it's taken us longer to board this plane than to drive here from the port. It's ridiculous.
Dramatic. Pack your patience.
Yeah. Pack your patience, exactly.
Welcome to Houston.
Made it to Houston, got off the plane. Baggage claim forward to get my bag.
Carry on. I still overpacked.
Yeah. We brought on Claire's carry-on. We're getting my bag. Should I go over there? So, we'll see. Should come off in the first group. Got the bag. Time to get to the spot bus.
Have me?
Yeah, I didn't see it. Claire caught it. Now it's time to go.
I was like, there. I was like, there it is. And he goes, oh, is it coming? I said, it's right there. Right in front of you.
So now we gotta find JFK parking spot. Got a little Clayton here. So, see if we can get to JFK. It's the one behind. So we'll figure out how to get on. There we go. We need to get on that bus right there. We got on the second bus.
Yeah, because we didn't have our ticket ready, so they drove away. But we got on.
We're on the bus. It's hot here, but it's Houston.
Yep. They didn't give a temperature on the airplane. They said it's hot and humid.
Doesn't matter if it's 90 or 100, it's hot.
Yep.
Well, back in the truck.
Yep.
It's 2 o'clock. And what time we land? I forgot.
Around 1:30.
1:30.
Not too bad.
So yeah, 30 minutes, man. Got the bag. We got the bag pretty quickly, actually.
Yeah.
Much better than Orlando. My goodness. And then was the first one off the shuttle
Yeah.
to the truck, so that was nice.
Another vacation in the books.
Over. The next one will be soon,
Yes.
hopefully.
Looking forward to it.
Well, it will be soon because it's already booked.
It'll be soon for the people that watch the vlogs.
Yeah. So overall, cruise was good, short.
But it was good. It was a good refresh.
Yeah. Room was good on Independence. The junior suite, what was it, $93.48?
Yes. Recommend that room for sure. Definitely worth the upcharge.
Yeah, yeah.
And love the water park at Coco Key.
The water park was pretty awesome. Devil's Peak was as advertised. Fast, extremely fast for a water slide. So overall, really good.
Yep. And great memories. So.
Yeah. So I guess with that, make sure you guys follow us along on Instagram and Facebook to get some other just updates in between.
Yeah.
Because we do post to that every now and then. So make sure you follow us along there. And we'll catch you guys on the next one, because it's going to be a little bit different than cruising, but it'll be fun.
Okay, bye.
Bye.